I need to talk about creating stuff. Creating stuff can be frustrating. I know it can. There's some elements you'll be really good at and other elements you'll be shit at. Like I was always really good at the editing stuff, whereas the talking on the phone. See you, Phil. Paul, yeah. Bye. Terrible. This whole thing of work and doing what you love will be full of obstacles and rewards. Like when you meet someone, they like your work and they want to pay you for it. That's great. Then all of a sudden they don't, they've changed their mind. For a reason that's nothing to do with you. But this happens a lot. It happened to me on Monday. So it doesn't look like we'll need you for this. It's a little annoying. It's tough and it's ongoing, but this is okay because after your persistence, one of these, two of these people, three of these people, a crowd of these people will connect with your work, with your message. They'll see that part of you deep down somewhere at your core. They'll see a passionate individual that's got shit to say, got shit to create, fire inside of you, the filmmaker, photographer, musician, writer, you digital animal. Right, let's talk about the collective. This sounds like a rap verse. The collective is something that offers connectivity to people like you and me. A community with an open playing field where you have no boss and no one telling you how to do something. This is a place where you can get inspired to do, to learn, to create what you want to create. A place to help you find your voice. Whether it's on your phone, your fancy camera, your not so fancy camera, computer, Wacom, guitar, MIDI keyboard, webcam, it really doesn't matter what it is, we've all got the same thing in common. We just want to make cool shit. Community events, contests, collaborations, advice from top creators, and most importantly you're doing something that's good for your future. You could be 16, 25, 40. You could be 80.
Let it roll.
Your age doesn't matter, but what does matter is your energy. Your ability to get out and create something, and do something. Something that's something. Something you might not know what it is, but at least you're doing it. You're doing something. You're doing something that isn't this, and that's good. You should do more of that good something. You should do more of it with other creators. You should share it with other creators. This is a collective on a mission, out to enable you, to enable each other, to find our passions, and make that dream, that vision, into reality. Three, two, one. What? What? Come on. Is it bad? Fine. It's fine.